A child stepping out from between parked cars can be almost invisible to drivers. By the time they are seen, there is no time left to react, and in that moment, everything changes instantly. Road accidents involving children often happen on normal streets, on normal days, in normal moments. Children don't see roads like adults. They cannot judge speed or distance properly. Their attention shifts quickly, a ball, a friend, a sound, and they move without thinking. This is not about blame, it is about awareness, and it must be taught early and often. Safety is not only about roads, it's also about preparation. What would you do if the power went out for days, a flood forced evacuation, or your child was away and unreachable? Most families don't have a plan, but prepared families respond differently. Not because they are lucky, but because they thought ahead. An emergency plan doesn't need to be complex, just simple steps. Clear communication, basic supplies, and a plan every child understands. When people know what to do, panic loses control, and action takes over. Road Safety and Emergency Preparedness for Families with Kids is the final book in the Parent Safety series. It covers road safety, cycling, car safety, teenagers, and complete emergency planning. Written by a firefighter with over 20 years of experience. This is not just information, it is preparation. Link in the description. Stay safe, all of you.